For the first side, we put one end in both buckles around the flat side. Use the other end, go through under both the round side buckles and pull it out. Skip the first one. Go under the further one from you and pull it out. Then you can seam the end. Then we place it this way and go to the other end. Holding the D buckles with the round side in, go through the further one first. From the back to front. The near one from the front to back. In both. And pull it out. Then go through and under both buckles. Fold the end and seam it. Then you'll be done. It's been seamed, and the leather tag gives it a final touch. Now we can make the ring bigger and put the mat in there. Let's try it. Voila, here you go.